Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. In this tutorial, we will explore the concept of minimum cost flow, MCF, and implement it in Python using the networkx library. Minimum cost flow is a network optimization problem where the goal is to find the most cost-effective way to transport goods through a directed graph. Before we begin, make sure you have the networkx library installed. You can install it using minimum cost flow involves finding the optimal flow of goods through a directed graph while minimizing the cost associated with each edge. The flow on each edge should satisfy the capacity constraints, and the overall flow should minimize the total cost. Consider a directed graph. G equals VE, where. Now, let's implement minimum cost flow using Python and networkx. In this example, we create a directed graph using networkx and add edges with capacity and cost attributes. The minimum_cost_flow function uses the network simplex algorithm provided by networkx to find the minimum cost flow.